will the repaired area look much different than the surrounding asphalt. A fresh asphalt patch will generally blend in but may appear slightly different in color and texture for some time. That difference is most noticeable when repairs are new and in direct sunlight. For best results, clean the area thoroughly, removing all loose material and dirt so the patch bonds uniformly. Use a tack coat when working on cold or repaired edges to improve adhesion and reduce visible seams. Compact the patch with a hand tamper for small fixes, or a plate compactor for larger areas, to achieve consistent density and a smooth surface. Feather the edges by thinning the material at the perimeter so the transition to existing pavement is gradual and less visible. Avoid overbuilding the patch. Remove excess material while compacting to prevent a raised spot that will stand out and deteriorate faster. Allow adequate curing time before opening to traffic and expect the color to mellow and match better after several months of weather exposure. Common issues include color mismatch, high edges that create tripping or drainage problems, and poor bonding that leads to early failure. If the patch is a different shade, that is normal. Light scuffing and time will help it blend, but you can speed this by feathering the perimeter and using a fine aggregate top layer to match texture. If the repaired area sits proud of the surrounding pavement, shave and recompact the surface immediately to lower the profile and restore proper runoff. If the patch does not adhere and crumbles, remove the loose material back to sound asphalt, apply a tack coat, and compact in thin lifts for better cohesion. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to discuss repair options and compare experiences. We help contractors find work, while homeowners find service providers and community feedback.